Travis Long, Belleville, Kansas. I was having a lot of wrist pain. Felt like I was having electric shocks going up my hands, my wrist. I was losing strength, and then it was keeping me up at night, falling asleep, both hands, both arms, and switching back and forth. So I just need to do something. So yeah, I do construction. So basically anything heavy I do with my hands, I would have weakness. You know, sometimes it even make it dangerous because like you're holding something and your wrist gives out because it shoots up pains up your arms. So even driving down the road, my hands were constantly falling asleep on the wheel. So I'd have to just switch out driving hand to hand. So just a lot of things like that and just everyday life stuff. So. I was talking to my brother-in-law who had a surgery up in Nebraska, and he just said it was carpal tunnel release. So I put that in Google, and you guys came up with a couple other ones, and just kind of, like I said, read through your tutorials and your experiences, and it just looked really good. And that's how I found you. And my brother and dad and other people I've talked to have been out for 4 weeks, 6 weeks with the old surgery. So, you know, this ultrasound guided procedure seems so quick and easy, and now that I went through the first step of it, I think the recovery is going to be just as quick and easy, and so it won't like stop life for a while. He went through the process just like the website said. They did the diagnostics. It was pretty obvious it was carpal tunnel. He did the surgeries. Super simple, very, very good as far as answering any questions, alleviating any concerns, and yeah, got me going on the way. Well, my son's getting old enough. We were actually wanting to get into metal forging, and the idea of hitting stuff and having that vibration and how that would affect my hands for weeks. We just haven't pursued it, but now that we have, or I got this surgery, I want to get into forging with him. Plus I do a lot of woodworking and chainsaw work and stuff like that. So doing that without having 2 weeks of numb hands, it'll be nice. Like I said, it was just so easy. I couldn't believe how easy it was. It didn't seem like it's possible. There was no meeting and getting diagnosed. Everything was same day, so it was just simple and easy to work in and everything. So.